APIs are changing because of AI. Here's what I just learned. I just read an article that completely changed the way I think about APIs. And honestly, it kind of freaked me out. I'm still learning API designs and everything about it, and AI is changing the whole game. But here's the thing, we might actually have an advantage as a beginner in this age. I thought APIs were simple. Build an endpoint, return a JSON, done. But when an AI calls your API, it's nothing like a regular software. AI sort of works through stuff, makes mistakes, and try different things on its own. It's closer to a human than any regular software is. But this article broke down 4 game changers for this. First, AI calls are per token, so long variables and long fields versus short ones makes a huge difference in cost, unlike the regular API calls. Second, AI takes much longer than regular APIs. APIs work in milliseconds and AI calls take seconds. So we have to bunch everything together so we can do fewer API calls, or the users are going to be waiting forever to get their data. Third is the AI's ability to self-heal. So when there's a mistake, it will try different approaches to correct that error and to solve the problem. This means that our error message needs to be more informative on what is going on so the AI knows where the problem is and how to solve it. Which brings me to point number 4. Now the documentation becomes production code because the instructions that you put there are telling the AI what to do. If you tell the AI that it needs to try 3 times, it will try 3 times, as opposed that to finding out different ways to do it and just try unto success. It may literally follow instructions. So your production documentation becomes now code for the AI or code instructions. Look, I'm not building AI first APIs tomorrow. I'm still figuring out basic CRUD, but understanding this shift that feels very important while all developers are working to unlearn old habits from years of working one specific way, we can focus on learning the new patterns from day one. So we don't have to waste time on learning old methods. So while we still need to learn the basic code and what programming is all about, we can adapt everything new that's coming along into our process instead of having to reshift our whole world around because of new technology. So, are you dealing with all this stuff already? Or like me, are you just trying to get your head wrapped around all of it? It's a brave new world and who knows what's gonna happen next.